My nigga Bird on the block.
Huh? But I know, but I don't know. I said, you smoking? Said no. I said, I got ready. He said, roll for you. I'll roll for you, man. He rolled for you, man.
He rolled you a good split, huh? I know that's right. That's that coke walk. Look. Look at him. Look at him go. Birdman.
What's up, man?
Sniff them birds.
Huh? You going home? I'm serious, man.
You going to the spot, Bird.
Fucking shit, yeah. Fuck out.
You go to the spot, Bird.
No, man, fuck you.
Fuck.
Yeah, that's my man. How you gonna take my money in his hand and put it in your pocket? Fuck you.
Fuck you too, nigga.
But now I ain't got shit. I'm going home. Yeah, I guess so.
Yo, Bird, come here real quick. Bird, come here. Let me ask you a question.
What?
How much you sniff a day? Honestly
every
speaking.
day.
How much you do a
I
day?
don't sip every day.
So what do you do?
Once a while. That's it.
How much? Like,
And
get you a 50?
Yeah. 220. This guy give me 220. You got 50. 220, you say high all night long.
You high all night long? You high now?
No. That's a lie.
Yo, nigga said, no. That's a lie. Yo, how real is that dude? Nigga said no. Yo. Oh, you got a little cokeheads, yo. I know you're trying to lie, nigga. You can't lie. That's the problem. Yo, Bird, come here. I'm not done. Come on.
Wait.
You got to finish my survey.
No,
So, yo. Yeah.
Yeah, but right now, before I see you, I'm here, Bird, so I had Chiba.
Yeah, Chiba?
Wait. So,
Some good Chiba or some bad Chiba?
so I said, I got that. This is bullshit. This ain't no bullshit. Like this motherfucker thing, I'm bullshit.
That's that shit?
This is my shit.
That's your shit.
I'm serious.
Yeah.
Light up.
I don't want that. It's a woolly.
No.
I don't want no woolly.
But anyway, this man said, I said, wait, are you ready? What you want? What else? I don't want nothing. But I ain't got no money. This motherfucker buying a car. Remember I said, keep your fucking mouth shut. The owner, Pop said, Bird, be cool.
You been drinking too, Bird?
No, wait, young boy, you mad? So he said, man, keep your mouth shut. But what Bird doing ain't none of your motherfucking business.
Yeah.
So young boy, he said, man, no, I went over there, man, said, yo, man, 58. He said, Bird, come out tomorrow. If I give you some money tonight, you don't have shit.
Yeah.
I said, bet, I'll see you tomorrow. Man, I said, man, you know what the fuck wrong with you? Man, I went back and put the bed. Hey, man, yeah, I brought it, motherfucker.
You stole a beer? Nigga stole a beer.
I'm lying.
I know you tell the truth.
There's a bird going down. I take a sip. Come on. What?
Yo, nigga Bird. Nigga Bird is vicious. Nigga said if we go to the back, take a sip, come back. Where the fuck is we? Oh my God. I said.